Traders, what I want to do with this video is run through and show you the trades that we took last week and why we took them. I'll explain our strategy in this video. I'll just run from the top down. This is alphabetically listed here. Simple strategy. We're in the red zone. Indicators are red. Sell signal. Sell. Stop above. Pound CAD. You can see the green zone through here. The green zone. We had a buy signal. Green kicks in. Buy. We're long. We're in the green zone here. Buy signal. We're long. It's a very, very simple strategy, guys. And I've been mentioning this in every video. We've got a 2-week free trial. I don't know how long that's going to last. I'm not sure if I'm going to knock the free trial on the head because, I mean, let's look at what we're getting here. Okay, we traded the pound Swissy twice. Buy signal, enter. And this one again, buy signal, and it pulled back, enter, long. Somebody asked me how many signals I provide every week. And I'm a conservative trader. I think we've got a couple more down here. We've got gold and oil. I'll come back to this question, how many signals do you provide? But I mean, look, let's quickly, how many signals do you want? Let me show you how many signals. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. Let's have a look at gold. There's another sell signal. There's a sell signal. Okay, we entered short there. There's another sell signal, short there. How many signals do you provide every week? I'm a conservative trader, and what I'm doing in VIP is helping my members learn to trade and to become independent and profitable. WTI. This was a counter trend trade. I showed you my counter trend strategy. This one was based on this signal here on the 4-hour chart time frame. Okay, we traded down into, this is external range liquidity. Okay, so I'm looking for the buy. All right, so this was posted into VIP. So that's our point of interest there. And then in VIP, we're going against the grain here, but we're trading when these alerts kick in. So see the green, this green dot, okay, these green dots. Once they kick in and we get a bit of a pullback, so that was our buy WTI. Yeah, I mean, somebody asked me, how many signals do you post? Well, look, there's two things. If you want signals, there's stacks of signals. There's more signals than you can handle. Like, you want a sell signal? Well, here you go, look. There's a signal. Alright. You don't take that because it's at the end of an extension. There's a sell signal over here that you could get involved with up there, So, look, if you want lots and lots and lots of signals, they're right here. They're indicators, everything they're provided. How many signals do I post into VIP? I'm conservative. Last week, 10, maybe 1 or 2 a day, but the idea of the signals in VIP is, apart from the fact that you can copy these if you want to, copy them automatically or manually, I explain my strategy. So, we have mentorship videos every day, 1 or 2 videos a day in VIP, explaining the strategy, and my members are trading profitably. They're using the strategy, they're using the indicators, and they're doing really well. So, my thing is to help people become independent, profitable traders so that you make your own decisions. You can take my trading plan, my strategy, and take what's useful and use it, guys. Green turning to red here, look, sell opportunity. Red turning to green, buy opportunity. Okay, we buy at the beginning of these, not at the end. So, yeah, my thing to you would be, take this opportunity, guys. We've got a really dodgy economic environment shaping up at the moment. And, trading Forex, if you do it well, can give you an incredible income. Jump on this opportunity while it's right here in front of you, seriously. So, to gain access, go to my website, go to the free trial. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this going, so you may as well snap it up. There's silver and gold. Silver is the signals. Gold will give you everything. Well, the signals and the mentorship. Gold will give you that plus the indicators. Click this. I might get rid of this page because you really just need to go directly to the star. Join here. That takes you to my WAP landing page now. There's 2 weeks free. Click Get Access, and on the left, this is where you access all the stuff. So click these links and then you'll gain access over here. So make sure after you click Get Access, come back to the page and click on these links on the left. You can see what they are. Scroll down, you can select either gold on the left or silver on the right, and you can see the difference. I'm not sure how long I'll keep the 2-week trial going at this point. So, snap it up and it gives you 2 weeks to cover the subscription when it finally kicks in. So this is the management system for my clients, but the payment gateway, once you build, is either Stripe or PayPal, depending on what you select. Okay, so both of those are reputable payment gateways. That's done through here. Okay, guys, so with that, jump on board and enjoy the success that our members are experiencing at the moment. With that, have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.